Having looked at detergents and laundry agents in our previous class, our next topic today's topic is laundry processes. And by the end of this topic, we should be able to identify the different laundry processes, and these are some of which you're going to look at. Preparing, sorting, soaking, washing, rinsing, drying, finishing, and finally storage. So all these subtopics are discussed in the revision KE Home Science application available on your Google Play Store. So under that topic, you'll be able to also get topical questions to try out and gauge whether you grasped concepts under this topic. You'll also have model, prediction, and mock papers, which you'll use to revise for your forthcoming exams. See you in our next class.